Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will mix the Pantone official color of the year 2025, Mocha Mousse. An evocative soft brown that transports your senses into pleasure and deliciousness. A warming rich brown hue nurtures with suggestion of the delectable quality of cacao, chocolate, and coffee, appealing to our desire comfort. Mocha Mousse finds harmony and balance between the demands of modernity and the timeless beauty of artful creation. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button to keep updated on our upcoming paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order: 1 liter of Mocha Mousse, matte latex paint for concrete wall. Okay, let's start. We have here 1 liter of Acrylic color raw sienna. Let's just reduce it to 1/4 liter before we mix the other colors. Okay, let's now add Acrylic color Venetian red. Followed by adding semi-gloss latex white. Let's also add latex chocolate brown. Let's now stir the paint very well. We are more reddish shade compared to my client sample. Let's add more choco brown, latex white, and raw sienna. It's almost the same. We just have to add more choco brown to be more darkened. It's closer already. Just add a little more choco brown and latex white. We are just a little darker, let's add ochre color raw sienna. Yes, it's the color of the year 2025 already. Mocha Mousse. Mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless.